Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I'll be reviewing today's price action. It will be quite quick because I realized that I've been looking for the same thing for like a month. So I'll just go over it quickly again. But no trades were taken today. When we go to the news calendar, we can see we have NFP news release at 8:30, and I would only start looking for opportunities after this news release, as it's a kind of a bigger news release than usual. Same thing that I've been looking at for a while. This previous year high SMT, we could go back to this fair value gap on the monthly. That's just like a target for possible more downside. Still, even though we've been chopping around a lot, still expecting this previous quarter low to be hit because of this SMT on the high. On the daily, it's still incredibly choppy, as you can see, but overall idea still intact is that we're delivering from this volume imbalance, and I'm expecting this swing low liquidity to be hit. And until we, get a really bullish displacement past, this liquidity, I would still remain bearish. So bearish on the daily as well. And then when we go to our intermediate term time frame, we can see that today all assets closed below previous day low, which is a sign of weakness, and we can expect some more lower prices. Unfortunately, this really nice bearish move that I've been wanting to catch happened overnight, which is just unfortunate, but it is what it is. Even though we didn't have a previous day high SMT, yesterday we have that previous day high SMT that we can use as reference and to build this framework. So today I would be looking for 15-minute or 5-minute SMTs on the highs to get in on a continuation short. No previous session high because all assets were just displacing lower. And then on the 5-minute, all assets closed above previous 90-minute highs. So there was honestly no trade for me to take today. And that was the day. Really kind of uneventful. Nothing happened. No model presented itself, so no capital put at risk, which is fine. So yeah, basically that was it for the day. Moving into Monday, I would still be looking for lower prices to this external range liquidity. So yeah, that's about it. So I was just reviewing like my week this week. This was NFP week, and we do tend to see choppier price action, which we did see. I mean, this whole week from Monday, this is when Monday opened, this is the week, so it's been kind of quite uncertain, just going up and down in big ranges. But overall, it was a relatively good week. I extracted a very small win. This is around 0.68 R, and yeah, I think one of the good things I did this week, I was just annotating here, is bringing stops to break even at a good time, and also taking some profits on my trade this week, just because it made sense. And yeah, overall those were pretty good things that I did this week. And yeah, I guess everything was just good, and I guess we'll just come back next week and we'll see what we see. Alright, that's about it. Thank you. See you next time.